to my channel. I hope you've all been well. It's been a while. This video has been a long time in the making, and not because it's a big project. In fact, it's a pretty simple one. And it's not because it's particularly amazing, just mostly I haven't worked on it. On this particular day, I was going through a very common dilemma with me, and that is whether I should abandon a project or not. I have this yellow dress, and it's been on my dress form for longer than I remember. It's so close to done, there's just like a few small things that aren't working that I need to figure out, like this front placket and a little bit about like how I'm going to put a zip in with this fancy fabric. Yeah, on the day of filming, I was actually going to finish this, but I chose to mend an existing dress that I love instead, and also started working through making a blouse. It wasn't a massive mend job, just a little grommet in the back of a wrap dress that is under a lot of tension when you wear the dress, and the original pattern actually had buttonholes here. I really should have used interfacing when I made this dress, but I didn't really know any better at the time, so here we are mending the hole so many months later. So I decided to just use some embroidery floss to reinforce the grommet hole, and because it's in a matching colour you can't really see it at all. And you can't really see it in this footage because it was really blurry, so enjoy that. And here it is, the finished dress. I really love this dress. It's a vintage wrap dress and it's just so easy and breezy. Back to what I actually got up to on that day. I started making my second version of a blouse by SimplicityxMimiG. I'll put the link to the pattern in the description below. It's a lovely blouse pattern. I extended the length a little bit at the front so that the blouse wasn't cropped anymore. Just because the first one I made was cropped, and because my torso is quite long, it actually came out to be like barely covering my bra, so I extended the length a little bit and also added a few lace details. Overall, I'm happy with how the blouse came out, but when all is said and done, I haven't actually worked up the confidence to wear it anywhere. I'm not sure what put me off, but my theory is that if I wear it and someone doesn't like it, it will be like a direct reflection of my style and things that I feel truly me in. I've had this happen in the past with my handmade items, and I couldn't stop myself from taking it personally. It's something I need to work through because I really want to wear my handmade things with pride. I love this blouse. It's so happy and fun. It has a few fit issues, like I could probably have made the armholes a bit bigger or fitted the tightness across the chest, but I think that's all recent developments. I seem to have expanded somewhat. I'm going to say from going to the gym, but it's likely from eating too much between when I made this blouse and actually wearing it now. But I love it. It looks so nice. Anyway, here it is. This video is kind of all over the place, but I enjoyed it and I enjoyed making the blouse. See you all next time.